Hey there and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself designing in Wix Studio and the workspace suddenly feels a little too cramped, today's tutorial is going to help you out. I'm going to show you exactly how to zoom out in Wix Studio so you can get a better view of your project and work more comfortably. By the end of this video, you'll know each method for adjusting your zoom level, so you can choose whichever works best for you and keep your design process smooth and stress-free. Alright, let's dive right in. When you're inside Wix Studio, the first thing you'll want to pay attention to is the control bar right at the top center of your screen. If you look closely, you'll notice a percentage, like 100% or maybe something different depending on where your zoom level is set. This number is actually telling you how zoomed in or out you currently are, sort of like the digital equivalent of moving closer or further away from a painting to see more detail or the whole picture. Right next to that percentage, you'll see a negative icon, usually represented by a little minus sign. This is your zoom out button. If you click on it once, you'll notice right away that your view pulls back, instantly giving you more of an overhead view of your workspace. This is perfect for when you need to see the whole page layout at a glance, or if you want to make sure every section lines up just right. If the page still feels a little too close, you can click the negative icon again, and it'll keep zooming out in increments. Take your time here, test it out, and find the zoom level that feels best for what you're working on. But what if you want an alternative method, or maybe the top bar is hidden for some reason? No worries. You can also control the zoom from the main menu. Head over to the very top left corner of Wix Studio and click on the menu. Once you open up the menu, look for the section labeled View. That's where you'll find the zoom in and zoom out options as well. It's a handy backup way to access zoom controls, and especially useful if you're customizing your workspace or something has shifted on your screen. Just choose Zoom Out and watch your project scale back, letting you work with a comfortable, wide-angle perspective. And here's a quick tip for those of you who love keyboard shortcuts. This one can truly speed up your workflow if your hands are already on the keyboard. To zoom out, just press Ctrl and the minus key Ctrl plus. If you want to zoom in, do Ctrl and the plus key Ctrl plus plus. These shortcuts work almost instantly, and you don't have to move your mouse or hunt for buttons. It's as easy as tapping a couple keys, which is great if you're making quick adjustments on the fly. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get used to it. Once you've done it a few times, it'll start to feel second nature. So there you go, 3 different ways to zoom out in Wix Studio. You can use the top center percentage bar, the view menu at the top left, or the keyboard shortcuts. Try each of these out and see which one feels the most natural for you. Everyone has their own workflow, and Wix gives you plenty of flexibility so you can work the way you like. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Wix feature you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more handy tutorials to help you get the most out of all your creative tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.